In this video, we are going to install vLLM on RTX 5060 Ti. So the installation step is to first install the CUDA toolkit, and to download the CUDA toolkit, you go here and you need to download 13.2 CUDA toolkit and click Linux and click on x86-64. Then I am using WS Ubuntu. So WS Ubuntu and 2.0, and then click on run local file. So you will get this command. So you need to run this command into the terminal. I have already installed, so I am not going to install it now. And after installation, you need to add this to path into the bash HRC file. So I will show you my bash RC file. So at the bottom you will find this entry, Control O to write and then Control X to exit. Next step is to now you run NVIDIA SMI and you can see the CUDA 13.2 and it is detecting my NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti GPU. Next step is to create the Python environment. So this is the command to create the Python environment, Python virtual environment. Now activate the environment. See, the environment is activated. Next step is to export torch architect, torch CUDA arc list. So this export. Next you need to install the torch vision, torch audio, and use confirm this URL. So it should be C132. Install it. It will take some time for the installation. So this command is executed successfully and it installed the required Python libraries. Now we can install the vLLM. So the command is pip install vLLM and run it. It will take some time for the installation. Now the vLLM is installed. You should also install the Hugging Face hub so that we can connect to the Hugging Face and then download the models. It is already installed. Now check the version of vLLM. So vLLM 0.18.0 is installed. Now we can serve the model. This is the command to serve the NVIDIA Nematron 4 billion parameter model. Run it. Open another window. And the model is still being loaded. Model is loaded successfully. Now we can test by curl. Copy this, and here it is asking what is the capital of France. So in other terminal, just paste this curl command. So it printed the output. So Paris is the capital of France. So we have done the installation of vLLM on WLS Windows system for Linux, and we have used the latest RTX 5060 Ti GPU for running this vLLM. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.